girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. You have worked so hard since school closed and I am so proud of you. You've worked hard on place value, addition, and subtraction. We never really got the chance to practice regrouping in the classroom, but I know you've worked very hard on it at home. This week, you are going to practice regrouping in addition and subtraction using the strategies that we've been using in May to help us solve these questions. Let's start with addition. Our addition problem is 26 plus 18. And I've already got it set up on our place value picture chart, 2 10s and 6 1s for 26, 1 10 and 8 1s for 18. We want to set it up vertically too, since that'll keep us from confusing our 10s and 1s. I'm going to put 26 on the top and 18 on the bottom. So now what I need to do is add my ones together because I do that every time. I add the ones together first. You might be noticing 6 and 8 are both kind of big, but let's see what our answer is when we add them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 14 ones here. What are we noticing about 14 ones? Yeah, it's more than 10 ones. So if I have more than 10 ones, what I need to do is regroup, which is making 10 ones into a 10. So let's get those 10 ones together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones right here. I am going to circle those 10 ones. I'm going to move them into the tens place, and I am going to make our new 10. So what we've just done is regrouped. And in addition, remember, taking 10 ones and making them into a 10 is regrouping. So now I still have 4 leftover ones. So I'm going to put I have 4 ones. And since I made a new 10 out of those 10 other ones, I'm going to put a 1 right here to indicate I have a new group of 10. And I need to add that 1 to the 2 plus 1 I already have. So I have the 2 plus 1 plus my new 1. Let's add them together. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. So I have these 3 10s plus my other 10, my new 10, makes it 4 10s. So when I added 26 plus 18 together, I have 4 groups of 10 and 4 ones. What is 4 10s and 4 ones? What number is that? Yeah, it's 44. 26 plus 18 equals 44. So because I regrouped, I took those 10 ones and made them into a new group of 10. I was able to add 26 and 18 together without too much confusion. And I was able to put that new group of 10 in the tens place. You girls seem like you're doing a good job with that. So let's look at subtraction with regrouping now. And subtraction with regrouping is a little bit different. In addition, we take 10 ones and make them into a 10. In subtraction, we break a 10 apart into 10 ones. Let me show you what I mean. Our problem is 33, take away 27. Our whole is 33, so that's what I have in our picture chart, 3 10s and 3 1s for 33. And if I set that up vertically, it's going to look like 33 minus 27, and I have 33 on top because that's my whole. Now we have to subtract our ones first, but you may be noticing 7 is bigger than 3. I cannot take 7 away from 3. There's just not enough here to take 7 away. So what I need to do is regroup, or take a 10 and break it into 10 ones, which I'm going to show in the ones place. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I took that 10 and I broke it apart and made 10 ones. I can do that a little better. Let's do that again. 10 ones. I took that 10 and broke it apart into 10 ones. So now I have 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. And I have 2 10s. I didn't erase anything. I didn't get rid of anything, but I did break apart a 10 and make it into 10 ones over here. And I need to show that in my vertical setup too, that now I have 13 ones and 2 groups of 10. I have 13 ones and 2 groups of 10. So now that I've rearranged it so that I have 2 groups of 10 and 13 ones, I can do 13 take away 7, and I can definitely take away 7 from 13. So let's cross out 7 right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had 13. I took away 7. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. 13 take away 7 is 6. I had 13 ones. I took away 6. Now let's look at our 10s. I have 2 10s. Now that I broke one up, I have 2 10s, and I'm going to take away 2 10s. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, and how many 10s am I left with? I'm left with no 10s. I crossed out all the 10s I had. I broke up 1 10 to use as ones, and then I crossed out the other 2, which means 33 take away 27 is 6. You guys have worked so hard, and I'm so proud of how much you've done while school has been closed. I want you to keep working hard this last week before summer. I'm so proud of you. I just want to say that again. Keep going on Zarn, keep working hard, and I hope you have a lovely summer vacation.